So what you can buy from AliExpress for $1? This module. Take a look. It's a PCB board, but what kind of? The model is CT14 Micro 4.2 stereo Bluetooth power amplifier board module, 5 volts, 5 watts plus 5 watts mini with charging port for refitting idle sound box. Yes, it's a Bluetooth audio receiver with built-in stereo amplifier 2 times by 5 watts. And this module you can get it for $1 from AliExpress. And of course, I ordered it and I got it. No bubbles. Alright, no problem. Next one. Let's open this thing. Oh. Nothing in the box. We have wires and the board itself. And it's a small PCB board, Bluetooth audio receiver with amplifier, stereo amplifier. This one is with micro USB connector. We have the antenna for the Bluetooth. And from this side we have left channel output connector, right channel, and this connector is for connecting the battery. And it says that have a charger function, so the battery be charged. Also we have 3 wires, two of them are for the speakers and one for the power supply. And yes, using this tiny PCB board, which is audio Bluetooth receiver with amplifier, you can make your own speaker box, stereo speaker box. I have these speakers pull out from old TV, and I'm gonna solder the wires that comes together with the Bluetooth audio amplifier. Remember, the yellow wire is positive, the blue one is negative. Okay. Here I have a small LiPo battery. Let's check it. Yes, it's almost full. I'm gonna solder the wires on the battery. Connecting the right speaker, the left speaker. So simple. And maybe I needed to add a switch, but this is just for testing. Did you hear that? We have a blue light flashing and receiving to be connected with the smartphone. Let's do that. Yes, now it's connected with my smartphone, and the name of the Bluetooth board is JZB5W+2. Okay, and let's play some music. Alright, working. By the way, these speakers are from pull out from old TV, and they are most great. Let's volume up. For better sound, so you can hear better, I changed to another speaker. I have only one of these Sony 6 watts. Let's play some music. Let's check the battery voltage. What does it says? 4 volts. Alright. And using my USB tester, we're gonna find out, does it charge the battery? Let's plug in. Okay. Yes, and it's pulling 180 milliamperes, but the music is playing. I'm gonna stop it. Okay. Yes, and it's charging with 170 milliamperes. Let's check the voltage again. Sorry for the mess. 4.29 volts is almost full. Alright. And yes, using my portable microscope, we're gonna find out. Ooh, there are two HAA 2018 integrated chips. These are the amplifier stereo, and this big one is the for the Bluetooth receiver, and we have only one diode for charging the battery. Let's check that HAA 2018. And yes, I found some specs about the integrated chips, audio integrated chips. And yes, they deliver 5.3 watts at 5 volts, and if you are using 2 ohms speakers, and they will deliver 3.2 watts at 5 volts if you connect 4 ohms speakers. Alright. So for making a small audio project and adding 2 small speakers, you can use this Bluetooth audio receiver board for your project, and it's pretty cheap from AliExpress. It's around $1 US. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. And it's working great. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. The boards or the modules getting smaller and smaller. I like it.